Good morning, I'm Cesar.
And I'm Chuck. We're with National Home Warranty and Residential Service Center.
Here at National Home Warranty and Residential Service Center, we believe in giving our customers the most relevant information so that we can better assist them in making the best educated decision when it comes to their heating and cooling system. Today, me and Chuck are here to talk about the phase out of R22 refrigerant and what it means to you, our customer. So let's start with the basics. What is R22, Chuck?
The scientific name for R22 is hydrochlorofluorocarbons. It's a colorless gas better known as HCFC22 or R22. R22 is the main ingredient found in AC unit refrigerants for over 4 decades.
Now, what makes the R22 bad for you and the environment?
It's a byproduct. When leaking into the atmosphere is a noticeable deletion of the ozone layer. When exactly did the phase out of R22 start happening? In approximately 1992, the EPA became the phase out of R22 to the depletion of the ozone layer. In 2015, there's approximately a 90% reduction of R22. By next year, 2020, there will be a 99% near elimination of R22 production and will no longer be produced, imported, or sold in the USA. The cost of R22 refrigerant is approximately double the cost it was a decade ago.
So we do have several options for you as a homeowner. Our option number one is you can attempt to maintain your current system as long as you possibly can. This will be the number one thing as a homeowner that you can do for your HVAC system, regardless of its refrigerant. Residential Service Center offers a preventive maintenance plan for your HVAC system for $9.95 a month. During your scheduled preventive maintenance appointment, we inspect and clean the condensate drains, the heat exchanger, the condenser coil, the ignition assembly, the blower components. We inspect safety of the system, the defrost mode, the blower assembly, the heat mode, proper refrigerant levels, electric heat strips, all motors, capacitors, air filters, thermostat calibration, vibration noise. We also measure the refrigerant pressures, the temperature difference in the supply and the return, volts, amps, and the heating cycle. And we lubricate all moving components.
Option 2 is a drop-in refrigerant. EPA has approved some refrigerants such as DuPont's MO99 is being manufactured that will run in old R22 units. Most of this refrigerant will be at a higher cost and rub substandard performances compared to R22 refrigerant. As a warning, most replacement alternative refrigerants, including MO99, have not been approved by equipment manufacturers, and if mixed with current R22, will most likely void manufacturer's warranty.
And our option number 3, as most servicers will recommend upgrading to a non-R22 unit. Newer units have a significantly more efficient than previously older R22 systems. You can see up to a 30% increase on your energy bill savings. If upgrading to a non-R22 unit seems like the option to go, National Home Warranty has HVAC systems for your home at the lowest cost. All changeout of our units come with 14-SEER equipment, programmable thermostats, duct connection, crane if needed, all miscellaneous parts for install, and our 10-year whatever it takes parts and labor warranty. So to schedule the inspection for your unit today, call our office at 702-431-4311.
Thank you. Have a nice day.